I always drove my girl around, so she was afraid to try. She's gone and got a sat-nav now. I'm so lonesome I could cry. She said she only needed me 'cause I knew my way around. But a tom-tom's gone and took my place, and now she can never be found. I had a recording of her voice put on sat-nav by a dude I know, and now I drive without my love, but she tells